Hi everyone, it's the Peep here and welcome to a new video. So cool that you're here. And as you might recognize, you hear me today from the off because I don't have any video material at all where you can hear my voice. So yeah, and I think it's important to say something about this video, especially if you want to build this project for your own. And my idea is to turn this old TV into a camera where I can see myself on the desktop, and this is what my plan is about. The first part of the video or the project was to take everything out of the TV which was inside of it, because I just needed like the case. And to get a new screen, I just used my old laptop desktop instead of buying a new screen. And the first very hard stuff was to build the screen out of the hard shell. And I can recommend for you guys not to use any Apple or MacBook desktop because they're not compatible. They're not working with the control board you need in the next step. So use whatever desktop screen you have and make sure you get the number which is on the desktop, quite hiding sometimes. And with this number you can buy the exact perfect control board for your desktop. So I put the number of the desktop plus control board in my search bar. I looked it up on eBay and then I found the perfect exact control board for my perfect exact desktop, which by the way is here a new desktop I got from someone who didn't need their laptop. So lucky me. So back to the control board. With the control board you can connect your desktop with the laptop and you get like a second screen. And for that you also need a power cable and an HDMI cable. And now the fun part for the IT interested persons is coming up, because I don't have any clue, and so my friend Benny visited me and he's a freaking genius when it is about programming, getting creative, whatever you can imagine. Benny just can bring it to life. So Benny brought some stuff like the Raspberry Pi 3B, that is like a computer which will be the head of the whole project, then also a printer, also a camera, and we're going to connect all of these stuff. And don't get started to ask me anything about the programming stuff. I have no idea. Benny did all of this. He's a freaking genius, as I just told you. So everything which is working there is because of Benny. It's not going in my head that human being can make such cool things. And so basically we had the control board. We connected the control board with the Raspberry Pi, and then we connected the camera with the Raspberry. Same with the printer, with button, with cables, with whatever we just said. And boom, it just worked. And Benny programmed the stuff that it's not just only that the printer can make a photo, but also he programmed an AI to say whatever we want to about the photo. And this is amazing. So he programmed the AI to make a compliment about the person or to whatever the camera is seeing. And oh my god, this is so wholesome. And to use the AI, you need a hotspot or a Wi-Fi connection. But he also programmed it that if there is no connection at all, there comes a phrase out of the printer. So we got a backup for when there's no Wi-Fi connection. So that's it for me from the off. I'll let you enjoy the last minutes just with the music, and If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments, because I'm quite sure that I didn't answer like the whole process because I'm not awesome, just not. This is just magic for me. But if you have any questions, let me know. I will ask Benny if we could answer them together. And a big and huge thank you for Benny. You're a freaking genius. It's so fun working with you, and I can't wait to do more projects like this with you. And thanks a lot for doing this with me. You're amazing. Check out Benny's Instagram. He also got a website. He's an educator, so he's doing a lot of cool creative stuff in this educational area. If you want to get inspired for your classes, just check his things out. And yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Let me know at the end how you like the video, or even more how you like the TV, and we'll see you soon. And yeah, all the best for you guys. Bye bye.